Well, hello there, friends and foes alike. This is Claude from Drone Effects. I'm in a kind of a good mood today, as you can tell. Uh, it looks like way I'm going Thursday in around 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I will be doing another starting my live stream. I look forward to seeing I don't know, Ari if you can make it. Of course, Nature's Beauty as Ari as in Remotes Pilot Australia. I want to give him a shout out. Uh, Rodney Bell, Rick Calbert. Let's see here, Above and Beyond. Let's see here, 400 AGL, Val's Life. I just mentioned on everybody, and of course Canadian Drone Hub. Uh, Just want to say I'll be on at about around 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I know Roger normally comes on, uh, but I've just been doing my own thing, so I hope everybody's all cool with that. And I'll see you. It's going to be drone chatting. I can't even talk right now. I must be drunk. Drone talk, general conversation with all the fellow creators on YouTube. Maybe even we may discuss supposedly what has came out. I thought it was today. I haven't been on to check the other people to see if they posted anything about it. What GGI is releasing. We'll talk about that. So I just want to get this out there. I know I wasn't on today. Kind of busy due to the flooding, like in Oklahoma area and all that. We are pulling cars in to be put on transports to be sent out in those areas because we know a lot of people lost their cars. So everybody out in Oklahoma, Lloyd, Mendenhall, and everybody that lives out in that area, you're in my thoughts and prayers. And Enterprise is doing their part. We're currently pulling cars in. They're going on transports, and they're being shipped to the areas of where all the flooding are, so that people can at least get cars to get around because some people lost their cars during the flood. So we're the cars being shipped all over the United States, south and as well as out in the west part of the United States. So I just want to bring that out there. I'll see everybody. I might pop in on chats tonight. Who's ever on live, I'll see you there. But my official live stream will probably start Thursday, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and it'll run until it runs. I have no trouble running. I've done it 8-hour live streams, depending on how many people go out and they want to hang out and chat with me. So I'll see you then, and I'm going to upload this to my YouTube, obviously, and be safe. Keep the props out of the dirt, and keep on flying. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.